Shalom. All praise unto the Most High and His beloved Son. Today on my channel, I'm going to be making a green banana porridge with pumpkin. Catch me on this next cooking adventure. So yes, family. So on this plate, I got my pumpkin and my green banana. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut these up small and put them in my blender over here. Alright? So catch me when I go step by step. So okay, family, so I cut up the green banana and the pumpkin. So I'm adding now into my blender half cup of oats. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to blend this up. So yes, family, so my banana and pumpkin is mixing nicely. So what I'm going to do right now is add half a tablespoon of red maca powder. And then I'm going to put this back to blend. So yes, family, so my pumpkin, the banana, and the oats and the maca powder is all mixed up. So what I'm going to throw this off into my pot. Got a very nice color because of the pumpkin. So I'm going to add another cup and a half of water into this. Okay, so I had the cup and a half of water into this. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to turn my stove on. Now I'm adding half a teaspoon of salt. 2 tablespoons of vanilla, some cinnamon, half a cup of coconut powder. So basically what I'm doing now, I'm just whisking everything in. So once your pot starts heating up, you can turn it down to medium because you don't want the stuff to start burning. Right now I'm going to be adding in a teaspoon of cloves. So right now I'm still mixing. So right now what I'm going to do, I'm going to grate some nutmeg in this. So right now I'm going to be adding half a cup of full cream milk. So yes, family, so my porridge is done. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to sweeten it now. So what I'm going to add is half a can of Betty milk and some brown sugar. So remember, you can sweeten this to how much you like it to be sweetened. Okay? So yes, family, so this is my porridge all finished. I like to eat this porridge with water crackers. Just crush it up and put it in there. So yes, family. So remember, if you like these videos, you can always drop it down in the comment section. And don't forget to hit the notification bell for my latest videos. And thanks to all my subscribers who subscribe to my channel out there. I truly appreciate you. May you have a happy holidays. All praises to the Most High. Shalom.